should have left at 2. It's 4:30 in the morning now. We are late by almost 3 hours. This bag gets in the way. Have it. Not used to this bag. Yeah, we are late, but we are not going to rush. We'll keep our speed. So guys, if you want to leave anywhere on a bike ride, leave really early, like this. Traveling early gives you empty roads. Just don't go fast. Too fast. So the plan was to kind of move early and reach Pune before sunrise, so we skipped the traffic. Driving in these ghats is so scary, man. I mean, I could not see anything if it was not for these fog lights. They are good. Are we going to reach Pune before sunrise? I don't think so. I think we'll get traffic. Cross fingers. Someone told me it would be very cold in the night, but I am sweating. Too hot. Lonavala is going to come to an end now. Then we'll rush to Pune. Chalo, aa gaya Lonavala ka Chaknaka. So we'll just take a short break over here for a few minutes, have chai, and then start on the road again. So we have already crossed Pune. The GoPro got hanged, and I lost all the footage before that. This is a common problem of GoPro. Driving a car through a tunnel and driving a bike through a tunnel are completely different things. It feels so good, yaar. That's my brother-in-law doing shining on his new Versys. After a long time, when you see a view like this, it makes everything worth it. So guys, the Satara Ghats is going to begin and my ass is paining. Let's have a short break. Satara Ghats curves are really tempting to perform a cornering. I cannot do cornering, I'll just land up in the hospital. Someone said Satara Ghats were dangerous. It was very nice. The best ghats ever. So you never overestimate yourself. When we started this trip, I thought there will be only 2 or 3 breaks, but this is the 6th or 7th one. Oh god, we will be late. Thank you, bhai sahab. This is the saddest thing of any bike trip. Paisa. The roads are good and we have not stopped for a long time. The point is we are late and we want to reach Kolhapur to have lunch there. So my friend is saying not to have chicken in Kolhapur. I don't know. I mean, Kolhapur is famous for chicken, right? Chalo, Karad aa gaya. The next stop is Kolhapur. I'm hungry. We might get traffic in Kolhapur. Arey, what is this? Too much of traffic. Why these trucks? There's a long line of trucks over here. We finally reached Kolhapur. Let's find a restaurant and eat food. Next stop is Nipani. Nipani se hum log ko right lena hai, and then from there you'll have the Amboli Ghats coming soon. Golden Quadrilateral Road. Bhai, iska naya scram hai. It is a new scram. He has just got it. His first service will be in Goa. Why is he pushing it so hard? Yo, Nipani in a few kilometers. That's it. Goa. Oh shit, McDonald's. Could have had a burger there. Missed it. Okay, we have reached Nipani. The right turn will be coming soon. So we took the right turn. This road leads to Amboli Ghats and we have to cross it before nightfall. Man, these roads are dangerous. You will not be able to see anything in the night. I think we have enough of time to reach there before the sun sets. Man, this bridge is so beautiful. If I had time, we could just park the bikes in a line and click photographs, but we don't. We should have left early. There are beautiful roads everywhere. Oh, this is a route that takes you through the village. Google Baba. There is a bit of off-roading here. I hope that my bag will be in one piece. You can't enjoy these roads in a car. You need to have a bike. It's times like this that makes me feel having a bike was worth it. When nature calls in nature. Driving to the jungle makes you want to pee even more. So this is the entrance of the Amboli Ghat. These ghats are really very pretty. So when your friend has a GoPro, always ride in front of them. Evenings are the best time to ride through the ghats. I don't know if you can see in the GoPro, but the colors are so beautiful. Hey, that's some cow gully in front. Let's stop there. That's the waterfall. No water. There's an accident there. So we saw on Google that on these ghats there are tigers and all. There are animals over here. We can't leave early in the morning when coming back home. We have to leave when there's sunlight. Driving on the highway is fun because of speed, and driving through the mountains is fun because of its beauty. Look at this. We can't get this anywhere. When the beautiful ghat section is over, the off-roading starts. Hopefully you will not get this because of the bridge being constructed. लगता है रात को IDEX लगाना पड़ेगा. अरे बहुत हो गया रे. When is Goa going to come? 50 kilometers more. Wish fulfilled. Riding into the sunset. Check. So 50 kilometers is not being covered even in 1 hour because of this traffic jam and bad roads. We are very tired. Hope we reach soon. Goa, where are you? So we have finally reached Goa. My GoPro is going to die. No battery. We are finding a hotel now. So guys, I could not show you the hotel in the night because my battery died, and this is me showing you the hotel today. It's right beside the Candolim beach, and I will be giving the link in the description if you want to go there. Overall, the Goa trip was a bit tiring, but it's something that I will never forget for the rest of my life. And I feel if you guys are into riding, try to do that once at least. Anyways, this is my first video on this channel, so show your support and subscribe to my channel. I don't know when this video will come out, but hopefully there will be many more to come. Anyway, stay tuned. This is our hotel. Bye bye.